Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and honest opinions on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the best Polaris 3900 rebuild kit, the E-cowlboy replacement kit for the Zodiac Polaris 3900 Sport Robotic Swimming Pool Cleaner and the Polaris P39 Pool Cleaners. If you're looking to give your pool cleaner a fresh start and ensure it runs like new, this rebuild kit is exactly what you need. The E-cowlboy rebuild kit is designed to be fully compatible with both the Zodiac Polaris 3900 Sport and the P39 models. It's precision engineered to meet or exceed the OEM specifications, making it a reliable replacement for your existing parts. One of the standout features of this kit is its upgraded single-side wheel design. This improvement delivers a 140% increase in strength over the previous model, offering superior operation and enhanced durability. The new base assembly, crafted from wear-resistant material, helps maintain the cleaner's sleek appearance for a long time, reducing the wear and tear that can affect the cleaner's performance. With this kit, your pool will look pristine, and maintenance will be more manageable. When you open the box, you'll find that the kit comes pre-assembled. It replaces every moving part in your cleaner head, making the installation process quick and easy. You'll only need to secure 11 screws, and you're good to go. The upgraded tensioner pulley and spring, chain guard, and gearbox have been optimized for performance, energy efficiency, and long-lasting reliability. These parts are built to ensure that your cleaner works at its best, day in and day out, without the need for frequent repairs. Made from premium-grade CNC machine, injection-molded reinforced PVC, and featuring a stainless steel chain, this rebuild kit is built to handle impacts and resist deformation. It's also anti-corrosion and anti-aging, so it'll hold up against all weather conditions. Whether you're using it in the heat of summer or in cooler months, you can trust that it will stand the test of time. In addition to the excellent build quality, this rebuild kit comes with a 12-month warranty. And if you're not 100% satisfied with the product, the company offers a 30-day return policy, ensuring that your purchase is risk-free. If you're looking to bring your Polaris 3900 Sport or P39 pool cleaner back to life with minimal effort, the E-cowlboy rebuild kit is the best choice for you. It delivers great value, impressive durability, and an easy installation process, all while enhancing the performance of your pool cleaner. Thanks for tuning in to this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And make sure to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next one.